Hi everyone, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can you recover your deleted WhatsApp messages if you don't have any backup in your WhatsApp. So before starting the video I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For recovering your deleted WhatsApp message I will show a process. So first let's go in my WhatsApp. You can see here there are different type of WhatsApp. One is WhatsApp and other is WhatsApp Business. So let's take, I want to delete those messages from here. You can see here I am selecting and have to click here delete, and then you can see here those messages have been deleted. So after deleting these messages, how can you recover it? For recovering you have to go your file manager. You can see here my file manager. You have to search where is your phone file manager. So from here you have to click here all file internal storage. You can see here all file then internal storage. Then you have to find a option called Android. You can see here my option is Android. You have to find it. Then you have to click here media. You can see here media, and then from here you have to find your WhatsApp. You can see here there have my two WhatsApp. I have to copy it from here, and then you have to copy, and then you have to go internal storage and you have to paste here. You can see here I am pasting. After pasting those documents into your internal storage, you have to come here in WhatsApp. You can see here for make your understanding purposes I am deleting my WhatsApp. You can see I am removing all the information from here. You can see storage and caches. If I clear all the thing, you can see all the thing have been clear. And if I go again in WhatsApp, and you have to clear agree and continue, and then you have to give here your phone number. I'm simply giving here my phone number. And then you have to click on next. And you have to click here OK. Then they will send a verification code through your phone number, and you have to click here continue. Then you will see here all the messages have been come back into my phone. You can see here those messages I deleted, those messages have been come into my phone. So this is the process of how can you recover your deleted WhatsApp messages through the process I show you. So this is today's video. Hope you understand, and if you have any inquiry related to the video you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in the description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.